Hi, my name is Elena. I'm the EDI and volunteer manager with Galway International Arts Festival. Galway International Arts Festival is committed to make the arts as accessible as possible to as many people as possible, and we are delighted this year to introduce a new series of accessibility services which we hope will engage as many audiences as possible. We are delighted to have ISL-interpreted performances, open caption performances, and you will be able to find information about all of them on the accessibility section on our website, GIAF.ie. And also, from the success of last year's festival, we are offering again a touch tour of the festival gallery for vision impaired audiences. The touch tour is taking place on 18th of July at 11 a.m. It is a free tour, but it needs to be booked. And in order to do so, you can do that by emailing me at etonioato@giaf.ie or by calling 087 768 8206. We are also really excited to introduce a new pilot project this year, which is sensory backpacks for people who might find the festival environment a bit overwhelming or may have additional sensory needs. We will operate it on a loan scheme, so the sensory backpack will include ear defenders and fidget toys, and you can get it on loan from the volunteer department. We will just ask you to pay a €10 deposit, which you will get back when you return the bag. The volunteer hub is located in Arrosnamak Lane in the University of Galway and will be open from next Saturday. At the weekend, the opening hours are 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. and during the week from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. We're very grateful to Claddagh Credit Union for helping us making all this possible, and we're just hoping that all these services will engage as many audiences as possible with Galway International Arts Festival this year. As I mentioned before, to find out more information about all our accessibility, please go on to our website on our accessibility page.